Now, this is the Fox 11 News at 5.
Do you credit Narcan for saving your life?
Yeah, I do. And the first responders, of course.
He survived an overdose not once but twice and says Narcan saved his life. But is the drug enough to stop the fentanyl crisis on campuses?
The LAUSD is making the medication available at schools in response to a series of student overdoses, including one that killed a 15-year-old girl.
Welcome, everyone, to the Fox 11 News at 5 o'clock. Thank you for being with us. I'm Marla Tejas.
And I'm Coco McAvoy. Christine and Alex have the night off. And a great first step. That's one reaction to LA Unified's plan to supply all of its schools with the overdose reversal drug, Narcan.
Fox 11's Chelsea Edwards, she's live at Bernstein High in Hollywood with reaction tonight. We also, of course, know you're there because this is where we lost a 15-year-old last week.
Yeah, that's right. And you can see this memorial still happening behind me. Candles still lit, flowers still there. Now, the LAUSD is the second largest school district in the nation. It is the first, though, to adopt this kind of aggressive action plan. And, although it's drastic, a lot of people agree that this is definitely a move in the right direction.
I overdosed first time when I was 17. They had a Narcan me like 6 times. My brother found me in my room.
Fentanyl overdose survivor Michael Anderson is in his 20s now, thanks to Narcan.
Do you credit Narcan for saving your life?
Yeah, I do. And the first responders, of course. But I mean, without Narcan, because they had to do it multiple times on me.
He thinks the LAUSD's plan to make the overdose reversing drug available to all K-12 students is a great first step in saving lives, but that much more needs to be done.
You know, addiction as a whole needs to be talked about. What you really are putting into your body, how easy it is to get hooked, and these people are offering you this stuff to make money, to ruin your life, pretty much.
Deadly fentanyl use is skyrocketing among California's kids. New data from the California Department of Public Health shows a 407% increase in opioid-related overdose deaths in 10 to 19-year-olds from 2018 to 2020, largely driven by fentanyl, and a 625% increase in fentanyl-related overdose deaths for the same age group over the same 2-year period.
You're putting a Band-Aid on a bullet wound. You're putting something in place prior to the education process.
Addict-turned-interventionist Tim Ryan applauds the changes being made by the LAUSD, but says the most effective way to combat the crisis is through education.
Narcan should be everywhere, but people need to understand Narcan is a tool to only reverse an opiate overdose. What we need to do is be educating on our youth on what fentanyl is.
Medical experts say Narcan can safely be used on people of all ages, including young children.
So you don't think that parents should be worried about the presence of Narcan itself in the classroom?
So the presence of Narcan in and of itself is not a danger. There's nothing to fear about that. There's no harm with having it accessible. It's not something that can be abused.
Now, in addition to the Narcan, the district is also launching an education campaign district-wide. It also includes a peer-to-peer component that's going to help teach kids about the dangers of fentanyl. We're now reporting live in Hollywood. I'm Chelsea Edwards, Fox 11 News.
Raising awareness is key, Chelsea. Thank you so much.